హాయ్ అండి. ఈరోజు రివిజన్ టెస్ట్ బయాలజీ చూద్దాం. సిలబస్ వచ్చేసరికి చాప్టర్స్ 1 న్యూట్రిషన్, రెస్పిరేషన్, ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్, ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్స్, లెసన్ 1 to 14. ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ హాఫ్ మార్క్వి. ఆక్సిజన్ ఈజ్ రిలీజ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ఫోటోసింథసిస్. అండ్ రీడ్ ద సెంటెన్స్, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద మిస్టేక్ అండ్ రీరైట్ ద సెంటెన్స్ అంటండి. In man, normal blood pressure is 120/80 mm of Hg. What does the value 120 indicate? And the equation for aerobic respiration is, I am having tough fibrous coat and large lumen, thin muscle layer and valves. Who am I? Chlorophyll, magnesium, red blood cells. In which organism do we observe? So Brownian movements. Observe and identify the system present in the figure below. Water, xylem, and dash represents phloem. What does this picture shows? Next, I am a tiny part in the cell. I help in ATP production. Guess who I am? Read the sentence and find a mistake, correct and rewrite the sentence. Intake of fat rich food avoids constipation. Expand RUBP. Now 1 mark section. What would be the reaction to show that glucose C6H12O6 is being synthesized? Write down a balanced equation to show this. Why are alveoli so small and uncountable in number? What will happen if there is no diaphragm in the human body? How are atria and ventricles bifurcated? Which gas is evolved during the experiment? How can this gas be tested for confirmation? Indulo Siri is injured while playing on the ground. Blood is flowing continuously. What might to be the reasons? Soumya uses cloth bag only to carry vegetables and steel glass to drink water, milk, tea, coffee, etc. How is the attitude of Soumya beneficial to the environment? Suggest any 2 activities to check soil erosion. 2 mark section andi. What do you ask your teacher to know about the obesity and its consequences? Suma told her friend to take milk, eggs, green leafy vegetables regularly. Otherwise, she will be deficient of riboflavin. What happens if there is a deficiency of riboflavin in our body? What consequences do occur if epiglottis is destroyed? Next, read the paragraph given below and answer the following. You know that when you cut yourself, the blood flows out the wound for only a short time. Then the cuts is filled with a reddish solid material. This solid is called a blood clot. What material is responsible for blood clot? What would happen if blood does not clot? And alveoli are the structural and functional units of respiratory system. Support the statement. Which types of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Neelima conducted an activity on her friends and got the following result. Name: G1 heartbeat 72, heartbeat after jogging 109, pulse rate at rest 72, Razu 75, 110, 74, Reshma 73, 111, 73. What is the relation between heartbeat and pulse rate? Why is the heartbeat rate more after jogging? Explain how greenhouse gases are responsible for global warming. 4 mark section. What is the malnutrition? Explain some nutrition deficiency diseases. Or write differences between inspiration and expiration. Write experimental procedure to prove that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. Or Write the experimental procedure and draw arrangement apparatus to show that CO2 is evolved in respiration. Next, observe the table given below and analyze the questions. Name of the animal, weight of the body, weight of the heart, heartbeat per minute. Blue whale 1,50,000 kgs, 750 kgs and 7. Elephant 3,000 kgs weight of the body, weight of the heart was 12 to 21 kgs and 46 heartbeat per minute. Man 60 to 70 kgs weight of the body, weight of the heart 300 grams, heartbeat 76 per minute. And quality tent 8 grams, 0.15 grams, 1200. What is meant by cardiac cycle? What is the relation between weight of the heart and heartbeat? Why is heartbeat less in animals with more weight? Or write a brief note on respiratory diseases because of pollution, tobacco. What is your inference about experiments with aphids? Or how do you appreciate the mechanism of respiration in our body? Label the parts of heart in the diagram below. ఈ diagramలో లేబుల్ చేయాలి. Which blood vessels bring deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body? Which chambers of the heart have more thick walls? Why? Or what is the pathway taken by air in the respiratory system? Illustrate with a labeled diagram. సో ఇదండి, ఇది బయాలజీ. మీకు ఒకవేళ మీ దగ్గర చాలామంది అడుగుతూ ఉన్నారు, మీ దగ్గర ఏమైనా సెట్స్ పేపర్లు కనుక ఉంటే నాకు సెండ్ చేయండి. సో ఐ విల్ మేక్ ఎ వీడియో విచ్ ఈజ్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు ఆల్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీకు అలా యూజ్ అవుతుందో చూసుకోండి. ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తే దానికోసం కాదు, ఒక మోడల్ పేపర్ అన్నమాట ఇది. ఈ శాంపుల్ పేపర్ వల్ల ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మనకి వచ్చా లేదని రీచెక్ చేసుకునే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. ఒకసారి చదువుకోండి, విచ్ ఈజ్ యూజ్ఫుల్ ఫర్ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.